How not to enter. How to enter. Please walk in quickly and quietly and place your shoes on the shelf. How not to enter the gym. How to enter the gym. When you come in, please run around the red lines. How not to line up. How to line up. When you line up, please line up in a straight line. One line for boys and one line for girls. Please bring a water bottle to PE. You may fill up your water bottle from the water fountain, but please do not use your hands, only your feet. And if somebody's in front of you, stand behind the taped line.